Hi everyone! In this video, you will learn some phrasal verbs in English. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Make up. He had to make something up to cover his mistake. Give up. She never wants to give up on her goals. Bring back. This just brings back some happy memories. Pack up. Pack up your things before traveling. Lie down. Just lie down on bed and relax. Calm down. Calm down. No need to be angry. Far away. My friend is far away from me. Clean up. Harry is going to clean up his room. Check in. Please check in at the airport before your flight. Believe in. She believes in God. Hurry up. Hurry up. There is not much time. End up. The book ended up in the trash. Check out. The police had to check out the call. Grow up. Plants grow up with sunlight. Hold on. Hold on a second. I need to think about it. Find out. I'll find out her secret. Break up. My girlfriend wants to break up with me. Hang out. I often hang out with my friends. Pick up. I picked up my coat from the cleaners. Go on. I can't go on working like this.